Hi, my name is Elise Hugh. I am the Digital Editorial Coordinator of State Impact, which is a local national collaborative here at NPR. One of the things that I love most about working here is just the sense of community and surprise. My first week here, you know all these correspondents so well by their voices. So you get to hear Scott Horsley and Don Ganye and hosts like Steve Inskeep all the time, but you don't know what they look like. And so one of the most surprising things about my first week here was just hearing these voices, these familiar voices that I had always listened to from all around the country, in the hallway or in the elevator, just talking to you. And so that was sort of the most shocking sort of NPR, hey, I work here moment when I started. It was just that Robert Siegel would be in the elevator or that Scott Horsley would be behind you in the hallway and you could hear him and it was a familiar voice that you knew. So it's pretty cool working here. And then it's also pretty cool getting to share with other people that you work at a place that is so loved by millions of people around the country.